V mestni občini Velenje smo seveda veseli in zadovoljni vedno znova, ko organiziramo takšne ali drugačne dogodke, ki so povezane tudi s promocijo našega mesta.
It's absolutely amazing, first of all, because this tournament I played really well. I was super relaxed and I was super confident, especially in the final. And yeah, it feels really amazing because also all the people that came to watch was clapping and it was really good atmosphere here. The experience here in Slovenia was really nice because all the people here around is really friendly, polite, and it was really nice. Yeah, and the tournament, the organization here was just exceptional because of the people. That, as I said, they were really nice. Also, the courts were here really good, and everything here was just perfect.